At ChildFriendly, you can store and digitally track medical information with ease. Let's take a closer look. Under each family's profile, store and track everything from a parent's contact information and their pickup authorization to a child's vaccination, medical, and allergy records. Everything is organized and accessible. From the portal, families can easily update their information. However, any changes made are first sent to Admin Dashboard for approval. This ensures that administrators are always aware of updates and can review, edit, and approve them promptly. At ChildFriendly, we also understand the importance of ensuring your staff know at a glance who is authorized to pick up a child. In each member's profile, you can select from various authorization levels. For instance, limited access can be set for those only authorized to pick up on certain days, with private notes explaining the details. Persons of concern can be flagged, which turns them red, to ensure that when a child is picked up, staff are visually alerted to check their authorization status. Keeping track of allergies and medical needs is crucial for child safety. Families or administrators can update profiles as needed. Once approved, allergy records are easily accessible by staff, and children automatically receive an allergy or medical tag in the family's dashboard for quick reference. Convenient allergy and medical reports can also be generated and posted in the rooms. As an added safety measure, children with medication, allergies, or flagged members have warning icons next to their names in the attendance portal, alerting staff to check their records. By clicking on their name, staff can view all relevant information instantly. ChildFriendly, your go-to software for securing, tracking, and storing family information.